Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video it's season 2 episode 2 Euphoria makeup, and I kind of combined Miss Maddy Perez mixed with a little bit of the jewels, not only like the jewels but jewels, you know, in the show. She had these beautiful like little lower lash line things going on, and I kind of did my own little take on it. And I did Maddy's hair, and I didn't record it because I have very short hair, so all of this hair is like pinned up in the back. If you guys can see it, it looks crazy. And if you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. But I will say I do talk about some things in this season 2, so if you are not caught up to season 2, maybe like just mute the video, but you can still watch it. You can still watch it, just mute the video. I don't talk about anything specific. I was really trying to not like have any spoilers, but I definitely want to talk to you guys. And if you want to see these next looks that I create based off of every single episode, then don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because that would be very nice. So thank you, and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting out with my foundation already on. I just did my normal basic foundation, and I went ahead with a little bit of brow gel and just brushed through my brows. Guys, I'm so excited for this look because it is a Maddy look, and all of her looks are always amazing. And also, if you saw the episode last night, well, I guess when I post this it wouldn't have been last night. If you saw episode 2, her outfits, wow. But yeah, I don't know, I'm obsessed with the outfits that she wore in this last episode. We're gonna go ahead and get started on with the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start, because it doesn't seem like she has like eyeshadow on her eyelids, maybe just like a little bit of powder. I don't really want to do that. Should I? I probably should. Okay, I'm just gonna go in this Kylie Jenner palette in the shade Naked. I'm just gonna kind of just run that on my lids, just to add some lightness. That's it. I kind of want to talk about like the episode, and if you haven't seen it yet, there might be some spoilers that I'm gonna say. I'm gonna try to like kind of keep everything very vague, or I could just talk about season 2 so far. So season 2 so far, I feel like Maddy she's getting like some more character development, I guess. But I'm super excited, and I said this in my last video, Lexi and Fez, I'm like going crazy. Every single time that one of them is on the screen, I'm like, ah, I'm obsessed. So I'm just creating this line that Miss Maddy has with this ColourPop red liquid liner. And hers kind of seems a little bit not super precise. So I honestly realized in this last episode, in episode 1, that the best look was Kat's, but I could not see it during the episode. I only saw it once it was like posted online. So I kind of want to recreate that one, but I don't want to go out of order with the episodes, so you guys let me know. And I'm going to go in the shade Almond. Now she does have like a dark brown liner, but I'm gonna go with this little lighter one, and I'm just gonna create a winged liner look just like that. Okay, so we're just creating a little line. So who else like really wants Nate's dad to like just, I don't know, go somewhere else? I was gonna say, but he can just leave to a different like city. That would be great, because he makes me very angry every single time his face is on screen. I'm just like, ah! And I am so sad and nervous if something happens to Fez because of this man, because of Nate. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something, and it's not gonna be okay. Nothing should happen to Fez. And I'm just gonna take that same little liner brush and go on my lower lashes and just lightly line my lower lash line. Nothing crazy. And that is it for eyeshadow. Okay, so I put on some mascara on my lower lashes and my upper lashes. Now in this show, I've noticed that they don't tend to put on like extreme eyelashes, but I'm just gonna add some of these falsies just on the outer corner to make that liner look a little bit more, you know? Also, I'm kind of annoyed by Cassie in this last episode. Like, I kind of felt bad for her in season 1, but now I'm just kind of annoyed by her. Like, I think that she should tell Maddy or something. I don't know. But then I have to remember, and my friend was saying this last night because I watched it together with my friends, which was so much fun, that they are in high school. And like, think about the mistakes that you made in high school. You know? Not saying that it's good to make so many mistakes, but I don't know. But also, like, they're dealing with some like crazy stuff. Okay, so lashes are on, and I absolutely love in this episode, Jules had like these little like white lines. I think I'm gonna kind of create that a little bit differently. I have these jewels here, jewels for Jules, and I don't know, I kind of just want to add like, I guess 3 right here, but I think I need like 2 different sizes. So I think I might use these, that they have like the smaller version. Is it gonna focus? Smaller version and the bigger version. And I was gonna do red to match this, but I think red is too dark. So I might just use these purple ones, and I don't know, I mean, purple doesn't really match red like that, but I mean, this is a Maddy look, and Maddy's like official color is like purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my little dual eyelash glue, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 dots underneath my eye, just like that, kind of closer to the eye. And I'm gonna take the larger purple rhinestones and place them there. Is anyone else obsessed with the friendship that like Jules and Maddy have? Kind of like it, because like I think that they are healthy for one another. I think they're a healthy little group so far, because you know. Okay, so the jewels are on, so it's like the big ones and then the little ones underneath. I think that added the Euphoria vibe that we needed. And now I'm just gonna go ahead with that same little liner brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Actually, I'm gonna take the shade Brick. I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with my finger on the chapstick I have and just dab that eyeshadow all over. And you guys might be like, well, that's not gonna like stay on, but honestly I do this majority of the time that I go out, and it kind of ends up like staining my lips, and I like how it looks. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my next renditions, my next looks based off of the Euphoria episodes. I will be doing the entire season, like every single episode that comes out. I'm going to take a look from it and I'm going to recreate it, or I'll mix a couple like I have been. So I really hope you guys stay tuned for all of them. I'm so excited to see what Miss Donni Davvy comes up with for all of these episodes. So I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.